What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we gonna do today, we gonna go over Wednesday's game plan. But before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Family, we already know what's on deck tomorrow. It is the homie Fed Powell, 2 p.m. to 2:30. We got the homie in the building. We know how Fed Powell can move the market. We've seen it. We got to expect the crazy volatility, the crazy burst of energy to the upside, as well as those rug pulls. So I suggest staying clear from this unless you know how much money you trying to lose, because there will be that potential to lose that with a violent swing to the upside or the downside. If you're going to make plays in that time frame, understand the assignment going in. You know that there's a chance that you could really make a lot of money if it goes up or down, whichever direction you decide to gamble on and it go your direction, but you can also lose a whole bunch. That's the odds that Fresh not willing to take, but to each his own. As I often say, you are the CEO of your own portfolio. You make that call. Just make sure it's the right call. Think smart, play smarter. Enough of that, guys. Let's go ahead and jump into the charts. I'm going to give you 4 tickers that I think can really benefit from the violent burst after whatever he says. If we start making the trend to the upside or the downside, these are 4 tickers that you can make money spotting and identifying what that trend is going to be, whether it's to the upside or the downside. Let's get it. Newbies, beginners, where y'all at? Y'all come on up to the table. I got a couple for you. Right out of the gate, we're going to start with ticker symbol PLTR. We know with this one, they had earnings yesterday and they dropped. We went up to 130 and they came crashing back down. Again, you know, it was really disappointing to see, reading comments on how many people that swung this into earnings, and then hearing people say, oh, well, you shouldn't play earnings, never buy contracts during earnings. No, you can make a lot of money on that ride up or that ride down before earnings. And that's why I say understand the assignment. If you understand the assignment, we do not hold on to that play. Palantir has been moving and giving you a move to the upside for the past couple days. That's that pre-earnings run up. We capitalize on that. We get out of that play before they report, because you don't know what they're going to report, and you don't know how Wall Street is going to take that report. Whether if it's favorable to them, they're going to pump it. They could be really good, Wall Street not digging it, they didn't be high enough, and then they can pull that thing all the way back down. So that's why I say we're going to do pre-earnings plays, but understand the assignment. We're not holding on to that thing, especially in this market. I'd almost say I don't like holding on to things the very next day, because we never know what we're going to wake up to. So, and then not even counting the IV crush with the earnings, holding it through that with all the back and forth. It doesn't matter if you had calls or puts. That IV crush is going to kill those contracts. So just again, guys, when we plan these earning pre-run-ups, understand the assignment. Do not carry that thing over. And if you do carry it over, you know the assignment and you understand what the mission is going to be, and you are able to accept the consequences. So let's go ahead and get into this, guys. That's just a little bit on that. But I do think Palantir isn't done yet. I don't think they're far from being done. Yeah, we had that pullback, but again, that's more of a chance for you to get in and be able to ride this thing back up. This is one that you can definitely put to the side, and once you get a good price where you think you can get in at and ride that thing back up, then you need to go ahead and take advantage of that. For tomorrow, levels to pay attention to. I'm going to give you a couple different areas to pay attention to. They're sitting at 109.35 right now. If you are a bull and you looking for a nice little pop on this, you got 2 areas of interest on here. You see these tops right here. You got 109.75. You want to see them open higher than. If they can do that right there, they're going to make a nice little push all the way back up to this 113.35 level. I got another area. If this is too aggressive for you right here, you want to to wait for this break right here. We start closing above 113.45, 113.50. They're going to try to boom this thing all the way back up to this area right here. Is it going to happen overnight? Probably not. This is going to be a gradual move to this 121.35 area. If you want an area to take profits before that, think about this area right here at 115.95. So that's just a couple different areas for you to pay attention to the upside. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than this 105.20 area. If they can do that right there, they're going to boom this thing all the way back down to this 100.40 area. That's Palantir. Next one up, we're going to give you XOM. This is another one that once Wall Street do figure out what they want to go, which direction that they want to pump the tickers, this is one that can really improve or gradually improve to the upside or the downside, whichever direction they take us. They can give us a nice pull. And if you playing puts, you can dominate and make some money on puts. Or if you playing calls, you can really make some money to the upside. Again, we really don't know what Fed Powell gonna throw at us tomorrow, but all we know is whatever the chart suggests that they're trying to do, we will be ready and we will spot it and we'll be able to follow that trend. No guessing in this, no FOMOing. We wait for a clear direction and then we get at it. So in XOM, you want to see them open above 106.20. They can do that right there. They're going to slow grind this thing all the way back up to this 106.88. And then boom, you got 107.40 on deck. A little turbulence, but they trying to boom it higher than this 108.95 area. To the downside, you want to see them open somewhere lower than these bottoms right here, 104.60. They can do that right there. They're going to try to smack this thing all the way back down to this 103.10 area and much lower if they lose this area down here. If you see where they've been getting rejected at right here and then they bounce back up. If they lose that area, it's coming down much lower. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? I got a couple for you. We already know what SPY can do with some volatility or a nice Fed Powell surge. We know that they can take off. So with this one, they're sitting at 563.30. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than these tops right here at 566.70. If they can do that, they're going to slowly pump. You got 568.50 before they can start going to the higher stuff, 570 and above. To the downside, you want to see them open somewhere around 556.75. If they can do that right there, they can continue trying to drop this thing much lower. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. All right. In Tesla, they're sitting at 275.30. If you are a bull, you want to see this 277.75 level get taken out. If they can take out that, they're going to run it up to 279.20. Probably get some bear action right there. But if they can stay strong after a retest, the next area is going to be 280.55. And then boom, you got 283.40 on deck. They hold that right there. Next level up is going to be this 285. We will call it in real time once they start smacking through those areas. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 271.30. If they can do that, they're going to start bringing this back to 269, 267, and so forth to the downside. But guys, family, what I want you guys to pay attention to is the time. Don't stay in these plays that long. Do not marry any direction, especially with Fed Powell on deck, because we know we're going to get the crazy rug pulls, the pumps, the surges. You could be in puts 2 seconds later, boom, you get that crazy pump to the upside. Do not get caught in one of those violent candles that may happen throughout the trading session tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a crazy day. Prepare for it. Guys, I'm going to be out here driving the car. You already know as soon as I see something, I'm going to put that stuff out. But that's all the tickers I have for you today. I hope you paid attention to this. I hope you took notes. Do not let yourself get smoked by FOMOing into a play and get caught up in the nonsense that surrounds any time we have a Fed Powell sighting. All right, family, that's all the tickers I have for you today. But hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.